In this module, we'll import inventory from a spreadsheet. So let's look at our starting point. First, we'll make this a little bit bigger. If I look at our spreadsheets, we have class files, Flex Beacon, importing data one off inventory spreadsheets. There's a computer file and the installer evidence. Looking at the computers, we've got computers from my domain, starting with DSK001, working our way down to some laptops here. And for the installer evidence, for DSK, we've got like Office and some other software that we'll be adding to these machines through the spreadsheets. If you go to Flexera 1, go to data collection, data imports. This is where we would manually do the imports. Go to inventory collection. We've got some starting data for the class, mostly for our operations class. We've got a couple of processes for SAS Manager and FlexNet Manager Suite. So we're going to create a new one with the import of these spreadsheets I just looked at. If I look at inventory now, inventory, all inventory, I'll add column chooser and the group by, and I'll look for connection name. And then you can see the number of machines that came in from those sources. So here's our manual inventory for the quarter, 276 machines. And we've got 3 machines from FlexNet Manager Suite and a connection for the SAS Manager. To import the files, we go to data collection, data imports under ITS and management. Go to inventory data, one-off upload. From here, we give it, let me make this a little bit bigger. We give it an upload name. So we'll call this the first spreadsheet upload. It'll be an XLS file with header, so we'll leave those as is. On the computers and VMs, we'll browse to that spreadsheet. So there's computers. And then for the installer evidence, we'll click on that file. And now we have to upload it to staging. So upload those 2, those are done, and then we can start processing. And now we can watch the progress of this uploading. We can also go to system tasks and watch it progress there. So there's our first spreadsheet upload in progress. It's uploaded it now, it's bringing it into staging. Now it's going to import the inventory devices, and then it'll run a reconciliation. Now it looks like the spreadsheet was uploaded and the reconciliation finished. You can see some statistics here for the number of devices read in, blacklisted, merged with other data sources, and we also have some logs we could look at. So now that we see the inventory in there, if we go back to all inventory, then we see the connection name of the first spreadsheet with 30 devices in it. And here's a list of those devices. There's the DSK01 and the LT01.